Yes, you can never tell me that enough. Better to look good than be good, isn't it? Certain I'll be seeing you again.
I love you.
Yes, what's not to love? Good evening. I see we have a rat, or two, or three. Bow before me. You may bow. Yes, you too, dear. You're not getting out of it. Very good. That's how I like to be greeted. Now, I need a few more ingredients from all of you to complete my spell. I need a scream of fright. Terrified. And I need an old hag's cackle. An old hag's cackle. There must be one of you out there. Yes. There you are. Or we could just add the silence. I do prefer that. Yes. And one more thing. Of course. I must dip the apple in the brew and let the sleeping death seep through. Bow as you pass, don't just duck. Bow. Yes, you. Very good. All my angles are good. Best portrait you'll take all night. Yes, take a portrait just of me. Crop out all the peasantry.